Will the $725 Audi S8 start in 3, 2, 1? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's the day we find out if our $725 Audi S8 will start. As you all remember, we picked up this very rare and once very expensive flagship luxury sedan at salvage auction for, yes, only 725 bucks. This car is worth like well over $10,000 to collectors if they're in tip-top shape and they run. And well, this car we bought sight unseen with mechanical damage, no battery was in the car. It's a roll of the dice, and we're about to see if that roll of the dice is gonna pay off today. Christian actually just texted me that he's finishing up at Walmart. He's grabbing a battery for the car, like 130 bucks or something. We're gonna throw it in, cross our fingers, and hope for the best. So he'll be back to the warehouse in a moment, and then we're gonna get into this Audi S8 Part 2. Let's get to it. Would you look at that? Perfect timing. Got Christian rolling up in the Viper today. Boy, it's been forever since this thing's been on the channel. You know we need a couple of revs. Oh, shoot! I don't remember this car being that loud. Boy, don't you miss driving this thing? It's been forever.
I do.
Man, you guys are right. Everyone's like, drive the Viper more. We want to see it back in the vlog. Well, today was a nice day. Had to get it out. And it can be yours for the bargain of $28,000, $27,900. We're being nice. For real though, we're actually considering selling this car. It's sad to think, I know, it's our baby, but if you guys are interested, we got to make room for all these new projects that are coming. But anyway, is the battery in the trunk?
It is.
Oh, ta-da! So this is going to make the S8 start, right?
Fingers crossed.
Made in Germany. German battery for a German car. Let's get it, S8. There's so much riding on this video. Like, Christian and I are a wee bit nervous because this video will either make or break this car. If it doesn't start or the engine's blown up, something with the timing belt, which these engines are notorious for failing, then we have a massive paperweight, AKA parts car on our hands.
Can't be a parts car. Even if the engine was no good, we would have to fix it. This thing is clean.
Man, we got cars laying out all over the place. The M3, you guys haven't seen this one for a while either. Probably about like 15 grand if somebody wants to buy that. But anywho, let's get the keys. Full house again today. Full garage tour coming soon. Where's it at, Christian?
This one? Nope, that's carbon.
That's the Audi R8.
This one.
There we go. It's funny because everything looks so similar. Even like a Lamborghini key, you know, it's a similar like flip out style. So look at that pearl paint glowing in the sun. One of 50 made with this paint color. As we learned last video, remember you got to push and
I don't know.
Oh, snap. See,
No
this thing is so
trouble.
confusing.
There
oh, why they gotta make it so hard? You guys were definitely liking the idea of re-badging this car last video.
Let's hope I got the right battery.
Yeah, I hope you got the right battery too.
Good.
Oh man, you guys are seeing this as it happens. Nothing is scripted, nothing is planned out. This is all happening real time. This engine may blow up on the spot. We don't know, but there's only one way to find out. So Christian, is it okay to start if it has no coolant? Remember we learned last video it peed all the coolant out?
Oh yeah, not ideal, at least definitely not for very long, because it's one thing, just the temperature will go way up, but the water pump not having any lubrication.
Should we just put some water in and see how quickly it like pours out? Maybe it's a very slow leak so it can buy us enough time to see if it runs.
All right, first moment of truth.
I hear things clicking.
All right, snugging this guy down. All right, negative done too. Let's check the oil.
Haha, we have the 4.2 liter 5 valve per cylinder V8. Good engine, but again, they have the timing chain issues which will completely ruin you. Good. We got oil. We got no coolant. It's so weird how this car was sitting for months, had every opportunity to pee out all of its coolant, but right when we picked it up, it starts leaking out more. Probably the way the forklift was like lifting it. Okay, we gotta see how quickly this leaks out of the car, if it does at all. Whoa, I hear something from down here. Can you guys hear that?
It's all filling up.
No, it's like a, oh, yep, here it comes, I see it. It's right exactly where the crack in the valence is, so he definitely hit something in the road and that put a hole in the radiator, I'm guessing. You can hear it. It sounds like somebody's drinking a Slurpee. Oh yeah, the radiator's, it's dented.
Dang it.
So we're getting some in there so that we don't really mess things up. Oh, yep, there it goes. Now's your chance to look where it's coming from before it all comes out again.
Oh man.
Crap, that's going fast.
Oh gosh.
Fixable?
No, probably not.
Okay, well a new one can't be that much money.
Shop,
I mean look, it's right here. It just comes in and out, no big deal.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay, well while there's still some fluid in the car, let's try to give it a start, right? Keys? Okay, the moment of truth. All riding on this next 1 minute. Christian's gonna record from the back while I'm in here, and then he's quickly gonna run to up there if it starts to make sure we don't blow anything up.
Those could go one of two ways. It can start up and sound good, or it can start up and sound like a bag of marbles with a messed up timing chain.
Oh my goodness.
Or it could blow up if it really does have a blown timing chain and pistons against valves and trashed engine.
Okay, that sounds slightly terrifying, but we'll still give it a shot anyway, right?
Okay.
Will the $725 Audi S8 start? Oh, 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 what do you think? What do you think? Run up there, run up there. What does it sound like? It says it's 1999. What are you smoking, S8? You were born in 2001. What do you think? Okay, hasn't been started in months.
Just a little bit of oil getting to the top end.
Oh yeah, there you go, it's smoothing out. No way. You all thought it would have a blown engine. Okay, yeah, it's saying coolant.
I know.
Obviously. Okay, it's got 3/4 of a tank of gas. Look at that, idling right at 1,000 RPMs, 139,000 miles. Actually, that's just barely over the last Carfax entry, so you really didn't drive it too much. So a dented radiator sent this car to auction.
Absolutely.
Here, let's see if the transmission works. Let's try to back it up real quick. Okay. Reverse. It's moving! It's working! Let's go for a drive.
Let's go for a little ride.
We are driving the $725 S8. This is crazy. I didn't think this would happen. Okay, all right, we have reverse. Do we have drive? Hallelujah. Second gear. All right, forget it. Christian's opening up the warehouse. I want to go for a little drive. Okay, I don't want to break anything, but I really want to drive it. It's so smooth. Okay, we're going back. We're going back. Don't want to blow it up. Let's give it a little bit of gas. Whoa, okay. I need to chill out. This is too much fun. It's actually kind of quick. You feel that low end power. Christian's looking for me.
You went on a first drive without me.
How dare you?
Oh shoot, I forgot about you.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I was wondering where you went, and all I had to do was follow the little coolant trail.
All right. Whoa, oh gosh. Oh, this thing's gonna be so much fun. And off. Oh my goodness, we're gonna pop the hood again. Oh, you like that, Christian?
I don't know. I didn't go for a ride.
How'd it sound from the outside? Pretty good, right?
It sounded great. I didn't know what that was coming. When you finally came back, it sounded like a freight train. And this has to be what sent it to auction.
And this does make sense because USAA said collision loss. And as you can see around the whole car, there is no collision damage. This is the only thing we found.
Okay.
And this makes sense.
Right.
You think this is the same as an A8?
Ooh, that would be nice.
We could save some money. And you said both these are messed up, which is, you said AC?
Condenser,
Condenser and radiator.
A bit of a dent too.
And
Does
both.
the AC work?
I didn't try that.
Test that.
Ready? Startup number 2. Heck yeah! That sounds so good!
Great.
Wow! Okay, there we go. All right, come on, better get cold. Okay, so this one is getting cold, but for some weird reason, this one is not cold yet. This one's cold too over here. All right, so I think the AC works. This one's just needing to catch up. What is the verdict?
So maybe the AC condenser might have survived, but the radiator definitely did not. And so, I was looking at radiators, and once you do a little bit more digging, don't just go for the first one off the bat. The first one shows up at like 650. You do a little sluicing, find some cross-reference part numbers, find that it does go to an A8 also, and then you just find the direct OEM part number, which is Nissan's, and then it's part number 60239, and that one,
no way,
on eBay for $297.
Oh, that's it?
Plus 60 shipping from the UK.
For brand new. And there were
But for brand new.
There were a couple used ones for like 200 bucks, but they had some dents in them, and maybe just a new one for 350 bucks. I can't believe this. What fairy tale land are we living on? This is like home run number 6.
Well, we can't speak too soon, but I can't wait to get into it. So I'm gonna order this radiator. As soon as it gets here, we're gonna take this one out, swap the new one in, and take her for a real first drive.
Ooh, I like that. And walking around the car, you'll notice under close inspection that the front bumper is just covered with rock chips. He must have done a lot of highway driving with this car. So maybe we'll have that repainted, and while it's being repainted, you know, somebody can tackle these front headlights, which are starting to haze over. But a little wet sanding maybe can bring them out to looking brand new. We got to fix the seat, that little trim piece that broke off. But
anything else not working?
I think I'm gonna call it and say this is home run number 6. Like, yeah, we don't encounter chickens before they're hatched, but a car that was over $100,000 in today's money. Oh yeah,
what we can do about that.
Something happened here in the suns. Maybe respray that black. Definitely tint the windows. This nice luxury car, like, got to be chilling, mobbing in the back. What do you guys think? Comment down below suggestions. You know what's free and will make a big difference? Cleaning your engine bay. I talk about it all the time. $3 can of scrubbing bubbles and some paper towels will knock this out and make it look brand new. Mark my words. Shoot us a DM if you guys have an undervalence for an S8 or an A8 if they're the same. Or if you guys have a, you know, A8 parts car and you can give us a condenser for a good deal, we'll take that. It's a cool looking car. You guys really were enjoying it in part 1. It's just such a cool retro looking Audi. Look at this. If you guys didn't know, it has the solar panel roof option. It's got the Audi GPS for whatever the heck was 20 years ago technology, but that's kind of cool. This thing will be garage kept from now on. Oh yeah, guys, it's quiet. Comment down below. Christian, we said once it's running, we would ask him if we should straight pipe it. Guys, 15,000 likes. Is that fair? 15K? 15K and we will straight pipe the S8, and by straight pipe we'll see what we do. I know a muffler delete alone makes this car sound insane.
I bet anything would, with 5 valves per cylinder and a red line of 7,000 RPM.
Oh yeah, we can make this car scream. Well, give me a few revs, let me see what it sounds like stock. I know it's so restricted. Yeah, no, that, yep, No, it's not staying like that. You hear a lot of engine noise, but no exhaust noise, and we're gonna change that. So 15,000 likes, guys. Please, please, please smash that like button. It's right there. Go hit it. Come on. Oh, yes, 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 yes. We have headlights. Xenon? Yeah, they're Xenon HIDs.
2001?
That's sick. Yeah, an 01. Oh, $725. Wow. Unreal. Look at him go. He just went around the corner. Now he's taking it on his own drive. I think this could be one of our biggest home runs yet. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. All right.
Dude, this thing is fast.
I know. That's what I'm saying, dude. Big V8. This thing is no slouch.
If I wasn't impressed before, I am certainly impressed after driving it. It's gonna be a good one.
And who wasn't for buying it initially? Who thought it was a crazy idea to buy a mechanically damaged car?
It was a crazy idea. It was a shot in the dark, and we just happened to hit a home run.
That is fair. That morning I woke up, I'm like, should we do this? What if it's a mess? Like, what are we getting ourselves into? But something about it, I just looked at those pictures and I'm like, something's talking to me. The car's talking to me. It's saying, buy me, Jeffrey. I will be a good car. So I did.
Well, you guys know what to do. You've got to subscribe to see what else is in store for this car, if we can get it back up into tip-top shape as we hope to. And then, it is probably too early to know for sure, but would this be an awesome giveaway car or what?
That's an idea. Either this or one of the other 3 cars that we just bought this week could be a good giveaway car. Yes, that's right. We have 3 additional cars on the way. A couple of them are Italian and exotic and kind of cool. So you're going to want to subscribe to stay tuned and follow our Instagram at JR Garage so you can get little sneak peeks of the cars before they go live here on YouTube. And of course, be sure to follow Free Car Giveaways, our giveaway page where we are going to give away multiple free cars this year. 2020 will be the year of free cars, and you guys will win them without paying us a penny, so it'll be fun.
Yeah, so stay tuned. A couple of them are actually already here. We need to move them into the new garage space. So yes, follow on Instagram. Those of you who have already have gotten a few sneak peeks at the cars. In fact, a couple of them are sitting over there. We were having quite a time trying to keep them out of the frame, but go back in the video and you might have seen couple glimpses of them, or at least a few hints, and got to go move them all in the warehouse now. And this one is going in the front because we're going to be driving it again soon.
Warehouse number 2, that is. We hope you guys enjoy. We want you to join the family, join the JR Garage family. So much is going down, and we love making these videos for you guys. We're trying our best to keep them consistent and coming out to you guys, but it's so hard balancing our work, you know, the actual money-making side of our life that pays for these cool projects. But you know, YouTube's our passion. It's super fun, so we're gonna try to keep the content coming your way.
At the same time, you all subscribing and liking all the videos has really helped and been a major part of what has allowed us to do this. So,
and it gets you guys straight pipes. 15,000 likes, that's it.
So thank you all so much. We love doing these projects that you all love as well, and we really appreciate all the support.
Thank you, car gods, for not making it blow up. Yes, we're gonna go celebrate. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in part 3.
That it feels right.